Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you're here today and that you have decided to join me. If this is your first time here, my name is Karina. I'm the solo esthetician here at Bare Glow, and I have been an esthetician for the past 9 years, almost 10. And today I am going to be talking about serums. So serums are one of the most important steps in your skincare routine after you have figured out your cleansing and your toning situation, because like I have covered in my previous videos, those are the foundation. So once you have a good cleanser and a good toner, as long as you have those two foundations correct, then this is going to work wonders for you. So if you are not seeing results from your skincare, you might want to check out some of my previous videos on why you're not seeing the results and why it is so important to have the right cleanser and toner. So let's get started with serums. Why are they so important? Why are they so powerful? Why are they going to be the thing in your skincare? So serums are usually the products that the ingredients are the smallest. So the molecules in this product, they're going to be able to be the lightest form, so they could penetrate deeper into the skin and actually work inside the skin, not only on the surface. So a lot of your other products like your cleanser, your toner, your scrubs are going to be more superficial, and even some of your moisturizer and mask. But these are the ingredients that are usually going to be the smallest, and they're going to be able to work. So you want to make sure that you are picking the right ingredients for your skincare type and skincare concern, so that you can see the results that you want. So what this is, serums are endless possibilities. There's so many different combinations, so many different brands, but there's certain key ingredients that each skin type should look for. So let's get started with dry skin. Dry skin is going to, you usually want to think of the problem or the concern of the skin, and then what is going to solve that problem. So with dry skin, we usually see dryness on the surface of the skin. So how are we going to solve this? This is going to be a combination of ingredients. So stay tuned for each skin type, each solution video that I am going to be working on. But for the purposes of this video, I am going to just be focusing on the solution coming from your serum. So again, for dry skin, we want to find ingredients that are going to help. There's two different types of dry skin. It's usually either dryness coming from lack of water or dryness coming from lack of oil production. So first you have to determine which type of dryness you have, so that you're selecting the right product. So but you usually want to look for hyaluronic acid, glycerin. Any of these are going to help to retain water into the skin or hydrate the surface of the skin. It's going to help that condition. So those are the two ingredients that you might want to look for in your dry skin. If you do have combination skin, you want to keep in mind, what is it more of? Is it more oily or is it more dry? And then trying to find a balance with ingredients that are going to suit both of these types. So now to pigmentation. I have also made a video on this subject. So some of the ingredients that you are going to want to look for this. I have made two videos, one specifically on vitamin C and one on every ingredient that you might want to look for brightening and evening out your skin tone. So you're going to want to look for vitamin C, kojic acid, butyrate. Those are going to be some of the more popular lightening and brightening ingredients. I like to use hydroquinone. This is a very controversial ingredient, so just to be on the safe side, I usually tell my clients to avoid it or to use it for a very short period of time. For my anti-aging, clients are usually going to want to look for peptides, retinols, matrixyl ingredients, and also some of the acids, glycolic, something that's going to stimulate the dead skin and the collagen production. So these are great ingredients for that. For my acne skin, you usually want to look also for acids, which are going to be your salicylic acid, mandelic, glycolic, and I am working on a video so that to help you decide which one is right, because like I have mentioned in my other videos, each acne type needs a different ingredient, and you have to be careful not to overstimulate acne, not to irritate acne. So that one has a video within its own. Sensitive skin, you usually want to look for soothing ingredients, green tea extract, chamomile, and you also want to avoid any irritating ingredients. So if you still don't have my irritating ingredients and pore clogging ingredient list, make sure that you look for that in the description box. Very important for my acne types and my sensitive type. These are ingredients that you're going to want to avoid as much as you can. Some of these ingredients you could get away with, and I will cover, like I said, in those specific skin type videos. So make sure you subscribe if you want to get notified when these videos come out. What order you should be applying your serum. So you usually want to start in the lightest form. So if the serum is a liquid form, you're going to apply that first. If it's in a gel form, you usually would apply that next. If it's like in a creamy form, you would apply that last, and then you would apply your daytime or nighttime moisturizer and your sunscreen. I have a few examples for you guys of some of the products that I work with, just to point out some of the ingredients that you are going to look for, or how I determine what serum a skin type or skin concern should be using. I do work with Lyra Clinicals, would be a perfect example of a serum for my dry skin. Products that are both hyaluronic, you can see here hyaluronic acid, and this one's also a hyaluronic. This one's a blend of hyaluronic with vitamin C. Here's an example of combination skin. So this is going to hydrate, and it also has the vitamin C in both of these. So this is going to help lightly exfoliate and brighten up the skin. So these are good examples of combination serums. An example of the lining serum, your gray serum for pigmentation. As you can see, it has a butyrate acid right there. It also has the salicylic acid. So this is the ingredients that are going to be very brightening and lining to the skin. Oh, the last ones would be these retinol serums. This one has vitamin C, 4 types of vitamin C and retinol. This is going to be great for my acne prone that have the little whiteheads and blackheads. This is going to help to draw it out. It's also going to be great for brightening and lining up pigmentation in combination with the other serum that I mentioned. This is here Hella Hush. This is exclusively for very sensitive skin. It's going to help for anti-aging, toning of the skin, and it's also going to be the gentlest form of retinol, and will also help for sensitive skin that has the acne prone, the little whiteheads and blackheads. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up. This helps me know that this is something that you're interested in and that I am doing a good job providing the information. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions, if there's something that I didn't cover, if you would like to see something in the future, or if I'm doing a good or bad job. Let me know. I'm not going to take offense to that. I just want to make sure that I am covering the information in the best way that you guys are understanding. Thank you so much for joining me today. Till next time, take care of your skin today so that your future self could thank you. I'm the solo esthetician and massage therapist here at Glow. My goal is to help you feel confident in your own skin with or without makeup. I believe that with the proper skincare, routine, service, and guidance, you could achieve your skincare goals. From clearing your acne, hyperpigmentations, or scars, or just aging gracefully, I'm here to guide you every step of the way.